Hi, I'm Tim Bridwell. I'm docent for the Friends of the Elephant Seal. The seals come and go, and every day there's probably a different count on the beach, but our most recent annualized count was probably around 24,000. The seals are here twice a year. When they're not here, they migrate to the Aleutian Islands or the deep ocean just south of the Aleutian Islands. They usually return to their home beach, which is where they're born, and in this case at Piedras Blancas Rookery. The most common reason is because they were born here. The elephant seal almost always returns to the native birthplace. That activity is called sparring. It's an instinctive behavior for males of all ages. Sparring is what we would call play fighting until an adult male reaches sexual maturity and participates in the breeding process, and then that sparring can get quite aggressive and it becomes a real fight. It's like a couple of young kids practicing to box, but no fair hitting in the nose. That seal is a female. She unfortunately is suffering from an entanglement. She has ocean pollution, in this case packing tape of some kind wrapped around her neck, and of course the seal grows every year and that tape does not, and therefore she'll need to be rescued or eventually be choked to death. The flipping is actually like an SPF 50. It's a sunblock that actually prevents the UVs from the sun from hitting the seal directly on the skin.